Hey everyone, Professor Adjovan here. In this video, I want to solve this quadratic. Now, solving a quadratic means that we're looking for the x-intercepts. We can find x-intercepts when we set our equation equal to 0. So the first thing I want to do is have this equal to 0. Right now it's equal to negative 3. So we can set this equal to 0 by adding 3 to both sides, giving us 5x squared plus 16x plus 3 is equal to 0. So now that this is a quadratic in standard form, being equal to 0, we can go ahead and factor. So we take 5 times 3, our a times our c, and get 15. And we're looking for factors of 15 that are going to add up to make the b term, the middle term, of 16. Those two factors being 1 and 15. So I'm going to rewrite this quadratic as 5x squared plus x plus 15x plus 3 is equal to 0. I rewrote the middle term using the two factors. Now that I have this quadratic in four terms, I'm going to factor by grouping, meaning I'm going to look at the two terms on the left, the 5x squared and the x, and I'm going to take a GCF out, the GCF being x, and we're left with 5x plus 1. I'm then going to look at the two terms on the right, 15x and 3, and take out a GCF of 3, being left with 5x plus 1. 5x plus 1 is the same on both sides, so we've done this correctly, and 5x plus 1 is one of our factors. And the two GCFs, the x and the 3, make the other factor. Alright, so now that we've factored the quadratic and it's equal to 0, we can apply the zero product property, which says that when we have two things being multiplied that are equal to 0, we can look at when one of those things is equal to 0, right? Because if 5x plus 1 is equal to 0, it doesn't matter what x plus 3 is. And if x plus 3 is equal to 0, it doesn't matter what 5x plus 1 is, because we will get 0, because we're multiplying. So we can solve each of these. We can subtract 1 from both sides and have 5x is equal to negative 1, and then divide both sides by 5 and get x is equal to negative 1/5, the first of our two solutions. For the other one, we can subtract 3 from both sides and get x is equal to negative 3. So this, x equals negative 3 and x equals negative 1/5, are the two solutions to this quadratic. If you would like to see this explained in greater detail and more examples, check out the video I've linked in the description below. If this helped you, consider giving it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more math content. Thanks for watching, good luck, and we'll see you in the next one.